In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva account and apply for Canva for nonprofits. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Canva's website. On the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up. If you see an option to start a design for free, that works too. It will lead you to the same sign-up flow. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up with an email address or continue with a Google account, a Facebook account, or an Apple ID. If you go with email, enter your name, your email address, and a strong password, then click Sign Up. Using a work or organization email can make the nonprofit review smoother later on, but any valid email will work. Now, open your email inbox and look for a verification message from Canva. If it's not there, check your spam or promotions folders. Click the verification link inside that message to confirm your account. Once your email is verified, return to Canva and log in with your new credentials. With your account ready, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, go to Plan and Pricing. On that page, look for the option labeled Nonprofit or Canva for Nonprofits and select it. This is the special program that provides eligible nonprofits with Canva Pro at no cost. You'll see an eligibility form. Fill it out carefully with your organization's legal name, website, and any tax or registration information requested. Be sure your details match what's publicly available on your website or in official records. If documents are requested, provide clear, legible copies. A brief description of your mission can also help reviewers understand your work. Using your official organization email here, if you have one, is a good idea. Submit the form and keep an eye on your inbox. Approval typically takes 1 to 2 business days, though times can vary depending on volume and the completeness of your application. You'll receive an email once a decision has been made. After approval, Canva will automatically upgrade your account to Canva Pro for nonprofits. You'll have access to premium templates, the brand kit, background remover, and other pro features without paying a subscription. Simply log in as usual and start creating with your upgraded tools. That's the full process from sign up to nonprofit access. Take your time with each step. Make sure your information is accurate, and you'll be up and running quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your organization design with confidence and ease.